Okay, these are easy story problems. They're with radicals, but they give you the equations. Biologists have discovered the shoulder height of an elephant can be modeled by the equation h equals 62 times the cubed root of t plus 75.8. H represents the height in centimeters and T represents the elephant's age in years. Find the age of an elephant with a shoulder height of 250 centimeters. So we got H and T, and H is height, and that's measured in centimeters, and the T is his age, and that's in years. Okay, well, 250 centimeters is all you have, and that goes in for H. So we need to put 250 in for H. And now we can solve for T, but first we have numbers outside the root, okay? I have a multiplier of 62, a cubed root, and then 75.8 being added. So first let's cancel the addition of this by subtracting. I'm not going to use the Q on these, actually. You don't even really need to use a Q that much unless you got. So I'm going to put 174.2, and then 62 times the cubed root of T. Now I can't get rid of my multiplier by dividing. Keep showing your work and you're good to go. So 2.81. And now to cancel the cubed root, we take both sides to our power of 3. That cancels, giving me T. And I take 2.81 to the power of 3, 22.19 years. Okay, the next one. The reason I didn't use Q on this is because there was only one variable under the root, so that really defeats the purpose. But this one, the Beaufort wind scale was devised to measure wind speed. The Beaufort scale can be modeled by B equals 1.7 times the square root of S plus 4.25. Then outside we have minus 3.55. S is the wind speed in miles per hour, and B is the Beaufort scale rating. Find the wind speed with a Beaufort scale of 12. So B is Beaufort scale rating, and S is our wind speed. Okay, so where's that 12 go? Well, it's the Beaufort scale rating, so it goes in for B. So put 12 in for B. And while I'm at it, since I only want one number underneath there, so I'm going to use my Q. Okay, so first I need to get rid of this 3.55 that's being subtracted, so I'm going to add that. So it's 12.55, or no, 15.55 equals 1.7. Square root Q. Now I need to cancel out the multiplication of the 1.7 by dividing. $15.55 divided by 1.7, 9.15. Now to get rid of a square root, we raise both sides to the power of 2. That cancels, gives me Q. 83.72. Okay, now to solve for the actual variable, I got to bring in my S plus 4.25. Okay, and then we just are going to, that's a 1, so we just need to subtract. $79.47. Okay. That's the wind speed, so that's miles per hour. Okay, and then when you work your way through this one, you're going to put 8 in for D, and then you don't need the Q. You just need to cancel the multiplication of 1.22, and then undo your square root, and then you'll have A, because there's nothing in there but A in the radical.